revolutionizing the raffia industry with smarter bag conversion technology. We are proud to introduce the next-generation BCS with hemming machine from 5 Fingers Exports, engineered for high-speed performance and perfect bag finishing. Designed for high-speed production, precise hemming, and superior bag finishing. This innovative solution improves productivity, reduces manual effort, and delivers consistent quality in every bag. From cutting to stitching and hemming, every process is engineered for efficiency and reliability. Experience faster production, stronger bag edges, and enhanced product value with our latest BCS with hemming technology. Five Fingers Exports, empowering the future of raffia manufacturing.